Alright, let's unbox it.
Now I have this.
We'll be doing a shooting video shortly.
Oh, yeah.
You got Forrest?
Yeah.
And this is the AM model. The LT models were already shipped, but this is the AM model, so it was on pre-order.
Later. There she is.
There's the box.
Fuck you, ain't it?
Well, you get extra stickers since it was pre-order.
I do?
Yeah. Don't they give you extra stickers? So that meaning you you get 4 ANSgear stickers when you get it, and now you get another 4. But nobody likes ANSgear stickers.
Best part, I get a Planet Eclipse sticker.
Oh yeah. Well, I just bought 5 HK Army stickers.
I don't want to mess with the box right now. There we go.
Got
This
that.
case is nice.
I know. My Etek 3 had a nice case, but those are nicer. It's good.
Alright, now to see what's inside. Oh my.
That is a pretty sick anno.
It looks way better in real life.
I know. I was like
that right now. The picture underestimates how beautiful this gun is.
Well, I was about to tell you to get the HD Woodland one, but now that I see this in person, this is sick. That is sick. I should have kept my Cure 4 for you.
Yeah. Oh my. Oh, beauty.
Smell the new gun.
New guns.
With the SL73 reg, right? SL3, something like that.
Yeah.
Look at that anno.
Shit, dude. I don't know if this is gonna look good though.
I don't give a fuck. You're clamping feed neck.
Yeah. I don't have the clamping feed neck, so.
No, you've never had one.
Yeah, I never had one.
Here, I have Allen keys. Here, oh, in this video.
No, there's an Allen key. When it's all put together, we'll show you guys.
Okay. Go.
Left it on.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh well.
Alright, shooting the new Etek 4AM. It's Forrest. It's gone sick. Let's go. Alright. Alright. Very little recoil. Show you. Come to the side over here. Check this out. That gives you an idea of how little the recoil is and how smooth it is.
Yep.
Just waste the rest of my hopper here. Very fun. Me gusta.